Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to check battery level on your headphones TOZO HT2 with using your iOS device. Basically, you have a few options how to do it. The first one is to use a widget, so just click on empty space, plus, scroll down and click on batteries. Now choose the best one for your widget. Let's say that's okay for me, then click add widget. And we just did it, we can check a battery level. And the second one is to use an application, so open it, and right here at the top we can see a battery level. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!